now.
Oh man, he's fighting for his life. Look at that, Sheriff.
You got
The
this, brother.
mountaineer. You got it, you got it, Sheriff.
All right, October 22nd, we're gonna hike the Hollywood sign from Griffith Observatory. But here's the cool deal: you can park for free here at the Greek Theater parking lot. And if they don't have an event, you can park all day. But today they have an event, so you got to get out by 2. But anyway, before 2 p.m. you get out, free parking here, and then you walk up. We're going to take this easy pavement here for like 10-15 minutes, and we'll be at Griffith Observatory. And from there we're going to hike Hollywood Hills. Today I have Chilhamcha with me.
Hey, what's up, bro?
And you know, I'm excited. It's first time hiking with him.
Stay right here. The coyote's right behind you guys.
Oh,
There's a
little
coyote.
there.
You there?
How
Who wants
chill
to
is that?
nibble on somebody?
There you go.
Anyway, and then as usual, I have my partner happening here.
Hey, yeah.
We're gonna go up. So we are at Griffith Observatory. It was only a 10-minute walk?
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
from
bad
the
at all.
parking
Yeah,
lot.
actually 0.7 miles from Greek Theater parking lot. But now our goal is to go there. The Hollywood sign, check it out. So it's not much of a climb now, right? Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty
So,
flat.
so,
out
so
here.
Helicopter,
we're gonna go catch the chopper over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pickup location's up there.
So our hiking, Joe, we'll be ending at, you see the towers there?
Yeah.
We'll be there.
Yeah.
From there we can see the sign down. It's
Right,
very
right.
dramatic.
Yep.
And then the city, you know?
Yeah.
So
Yep.
let's do it, man.
Let's do it. Ready?
Check out this Instagram point here. And you see Hollywood sign just on the back. Go this way, right? And there's a bunch of trails here. This is Griffith Park.
Yeah.
Bunch of trails around here.
Downtown LA in the background. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to open it up to the Hollywood sign behind this hill right here. There you go.
I do want to capture something here. Let me know when you're ready. In LA.
LA,
You came here 98, right?
92.
92.
Yeah.
And have you ever gone to the sign, hiked all the way to the sign?
Maybe once.
Maybe once. But imagine,
It's a distant memory.
30 years, and he's gone only once.
Yeah.
And now he's going to do it again. It's crazy, huh?
Yep. And I'm gonna do it with Sheriff and Tenzin.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be fun because you know it's a very popular sign for people to.
Yeah.
It's on their bucket list. A lot
Yeah.
like foreign travelers.
Yeah, but see, people who live in LA, they don't go there much. But today we're doing it because this is like a must-do in LA, you know.
Yeah.
And imagine, like Joe, when he came to US in the beginning, he did it once and then forgot about it. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And now I reminded him, and we're doing it.
It's kind of like when New Yorkers, they don't go to Times Square.
Yeah. Absolutely.
It's kinda-
Only when visitors come, they take them to Times Square, right?
Yeah,
That kind of thing.
kind of like that. Brother, what a beautiful view, man. Look at this. I wish this camera could capture a little. I love this observatory.
Soon, in another 10 minutes, we'll be skiing right next to the sign.
Okay.
got a lot
Let's
of
see.
value basically. It's ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching for LA.
Ho-
We're on top. We're on top of Mount Lee. And there is the sign. There's HOLLYWOOD. There's a rattlesnake. This is the first time on the hike I'm seeing one live rattlesnake here. It's pretty big.
Yeah, just go towards the pipe.
Oh, I love this slide, man.
Oh,
Love this
yeah.
slide. Did you slide down?
No, I did not. I came down slowly, man. Don't slide it, man. It's too shaky.
No kidding.
Yeah,
Oh,
the pipe's
fuck,
a little
it's
too
gonna
shaky
burn
to
your ass, man. It's so hot.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where you need to go onto the big ledge over there.
Ah, repel. Repel. That's how you repel.
All right, you got this, Sheriff. You got this.
Sheriff, you got it. Repel.
And this is
Right.
Sheriff, grab
Turn
the
around.
pipe
Turn around
and
now.
repel. Turn around and repel.
Grab the pipe. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, he's fighting for his life. Look at that, Sheriff.
You got
The
this, brother.
mountaineer. You got it. You got it, Sheriff.
more than that is the heat of the pipe.
Yeah, yeah.
You got this. 부모들 이 등한테 팔로 치소. 양식.